Actress Uche Ogbodo, yes, this one a Nigerian actress, don come reply to all the people wey dey carry in baby daddy matter for their head, and they carry am personal. For una wey no know, yes, this woman bin dey date older men, because according to Raikoma, they tell us say she before she bin dey believe say when you date older men, see, it's the best. They will take care of you, they respect you, they don't trouble you. Right now, for now, we don't know, this woman is heavily pregnant for a very fresh, a very young blood, a very you understand? And you know, Bobby Harris. Oh my guy, I better put up on there. Hey, this woman don't catch fish, and now she don't bring message for all of una. According to her haters and people who know they bind their business, definitely I know the inside. Because join me, make me watch the video.
I am pregnant with a man who is a complete man, who is above 25, and then you call him a small boy. You insult me and say that I'm older than him. How can I be dating a teenager? Listen, that guy has made me happy. Okay? And I have no apology for it. He has made me happy.
Before I go enter deep inside this matter, my people, I want make una understand something. If una dey see me here dey talk, I know they come out because I hate person or because I like person. I try to go with the truth. Now, this matter will happen. This thing will not just listen to now. If you ask me, this woman does not owe anybody any explanation. And I want to make all of you now know this thing today. Carry on for your mind. You see that thing where they make you happy? Do it. No, I not come here to support one person or two. They do. No. Normally, I don't blast her before. If you misbehave, I give you your own. I put you for your chair. Yes. If you they do, like, you know, understand, anything where you know say they make you happy, I beg, no get me wrong. I'm not also saying you go commit crime because money makes you happy. Then you come and they talk about serious matter now. As long as say you no kill anybody, you no offend anybody, you understand? Do what makes you happy. Love no get age. Another correction. That one no mean say una go abuse her. 50 years, we can't follow 12. But love does not have age. I never see where they talk say, because I am 45, I cannot date a 30-year-old man because I senior him. I beg, anywhere you find your happiness, why not? Freely. It's love. Oh. Have you carried love and put in your heart by yourself? It comes. Some of us say, we don't even imagine now. It dey happen like that. It is called love. Now she's dating a young guy, a very, very young guy. Una dey complain. Hi, African. What of una wey dey date people husbands? Okay, now don't keep quiet now. Una see our problem. Person find him boy. So that you no go dey cheat, you no go double date, una talk. Person follow person husband, una go insult her. Una wey dey follow people husband, abeg I no mention anybody name, na question I dey ask. What of una? Please, allow this woman be. At least if not for herself, for the sake of the pikin wey she carry inside. I don't even know why una. Some people say una too like to dey respond to all shades wey dey throw for una face. If I be this woman, I go just waka pass. In fact, yes, I go waka pass. In this your state, madam, you don't even need to stress yourself. They talk plenty. No. Focus on the fruit wey they chop. You understand? She said the guy makes her happy. Don't be an enemy of progress. The guy makes her happy. And this guy is not under 18. He's above 25. Even if she's 60, the guy is an adult. So why would I beg, madam, allow them talk. No be you get the amount to. I be now you they buy them toothpaste. So allow them to talk. Make they run their mouth. It is as simple as that. Because congratulations, my sister. And I hope say this one last long. Now what to say she not supposed to come out and respond. Because if this thing is scatter now, she go still come out, come give another explanation. Wahala just too much for this country. I just say make her drop this point. I beg. I don't mean to offend anybody because so anything when you guys talk concerning this matter, whether you agree with me or you not agree with me, your comments are welcome. So start the drop up for that comment section. Make sure say you share this video, very very important, and don't forget to subscribe. Now that one me and you go get problem. Just click on that thing if you just dey join us for the first time. You understand? Yes. Stay tuned for our next story.